All right, hi guys. How to set your sell stop. So you go to charts, go to quotes, then you tap on the preferred currency pair. Mine is XAUSD, and you click on trade. Up here you should see instant execution. Here you have buy limit, sell stop, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit. So you click on sell stop and you add your price, your preferred price. 1900. You set your preferred SL and you set your take profit, your preferred take profit, say 1898 thereabout, and you place your sell stop. So you can see it's been activated. You go to chart and you can see it. Voila, that's how you set your sell stop. The same thing goes for buy stop. You go to codes, tap on the preferred currency pair, you click on trade. Up here you see preferred one you're looking out to set your stop at. You have the buy limit, you have the sell limit, you have the buy stop, you have the sell stop. But the same thing goes for buy stop. When you have your preferred price, you set it in and you set your stop loss and you set your take profit and you place the order. Thank you.